best way to think about AI is really twofold within the weather ecosystem, or at least how we think about it. The first is improving forecasts. Weather has really, over the course of the past few decades, been dominated by a single approach of prediction. And you can think of that as what's called numerical weather prediction. And what I mean by that is really it's just a big algorithm or a big mathematical model that has been built over years by many, many people, all contributing, that figures out how temperature influences wind, how wind influences humidity, how humidity influences precipitation, and how all of these things weave together in order to predict what's going to happen next. And this is really how it's been accepted up until more recently, as AI has really taken root. And what we're seeing, and the foundation that we've spent the past 4.5 years building, is that the gains that this AI type forecasting can have across our models are just mind blowing. We're talking at magnitudes of 30, 40, 50, 60, at some cases 70%, depending on the geography and the parameter, in terms of forecast ability. Now, AI in the modeling side of things is very lightweight as well. And by lightweight, what I mean by that is it allows us to create, in our case, about 51 different potential scenarios. So in other words, you can think of it, it's not actually what we're doing, but you can think of it as though we're running our model 51 times. And what that gives our customers, because of this new AI-based approach and how lightweight it is, gives our customers the ability to understand the worst case scenario, the best case scenario, and the most likely to occur, because we're forecasting so many different types of possible situations. It empowers them to really start to take on risk management strategies. And that wouldn't have been achievable without the gains that we've been able to deploy with this really core AI-based infrastructure, which is what we call One Forecast.